I always say archetypes have a function. We all have all of the archetypes of the zodiac. This is what I do. The reference is the birth chart. We all have all of the archetypes at least a little bit, and then some of them a lot more. The question of looking at the universal aspect of things is that we suddenly realize that what we're going through is actually part of the universal human experience. To me, for myself, it helped me a lot to take some distance, to sort of not take things so personally and have a sense of doom that I've been dealt a really bad hand of cards. Okay, so that's why this is something that I just hammer into my readings. It's universal, it's natural what we go through, all types of challenges and crises. It's part of the human experience. When we understand how archetypes work, we can have a better point of view, and then we can make decisions, we can take action and have more agency, which is the hero archetype. Okay,